Welcome to the Phi-Tech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos. The M Eastern-made wood splitter is the perfect choice for small to medium-sized farms. With its compact design and powerful engine, it delivers a splitting force of up to 20 tons, making it effortless to handle large and tough logs. The ASB 135 effortlessly levels the ground, creating perfect trails for off-road adventures. Are you ready to explore new and challenging paths with the ASB 135? Meanwhile, the Vetru trademark F32 SL22 wood saw, manufactured in 2020, stands as a powerhouse in the forestry industry, with a lifting capacity of up to 32 tons and exceptional maneuverability across all terrains. It's the ideal choice for demanding operations. The Vetru trademark F32 SL22 wood saw, manufactured in 2020, is a powerful machine in the forestry industry, with a lifting capacity of up to 32 tons. The powerful Raid Harvester Highlander wood harvester by Conrad Force Technic leverages its advantages to conquer steep terrains. Designed to tackle slopes and challenging landscapes, the Highlander features a flexible track system and enhanced hydraulic frame balancing, ensuring smooth and stable movement on steep hillsides and rugged terrain. The Destat DBLEU 360 shredder features not only a large, sturdy crushing jaw but also a powerful engine delivering up to 740 horsepower. It is equipped with a dual-shaft rotor system integrated with 48 cutting blades, offering a wide load capacity. The 1.350 by 1.720 mm hopper size of the DW360 enables flexible shredding of materials with diameters ranging from 20 mm to 300 mm. Compared to the previous BCX 2500 model, the DW360 boasts processing wood and branches after pruning can be a challenge for small farms. But the Cord King CS 2030 Ho Model 44 wood processor has become the perfect solution to this problem. With the ability to quickly and efficiently cut split wood and wood debris into firewood, the CS 2030 Ho Model 44 can handle wood with diameters up to 30 inches and lengths up to 20 feet, significantly meeting the processing needs of small farms. The Destat DW360 integrates the DW360 primary shredder with the HS8100 CLC vibrating screener. Featuring a dual-shaft shredding system, the machine can process input materials up to 12 meters in size with a throughput of up to 50 tons per hour. The HS8000C vibrating screener, with its star-shaped design and screening surface dimensions of 8,000 by 2,000 millimeters, delivers a screening capacity of 40 tons per hour. This combination is ideal for shredding and screening various materials, including construction waste, industrial waste, and green waste. An innovative bulldozer with a rolling blade called the Tapador Con Rollo has been designed to level and flatten the ground quickly and efficiently. The rolling blade, made of steel or rubber, features a diameter ranging from 30 centimeters to 123 centimeters, enabling it to perform more effectively compared to traditional bulldozers. The Alaska 600-40 SA is a wood waste shredder with a capacity of up to 120 cubic meters and a cutting capability of 400 tons, allowing for the efficient processing of large volumes of wood waste. Notably, the machine can adjust the output size from 20 mm to 120 mm, catering to various applications. With unparalleled power and exceptional splitting speed, the atomic cone splitter on the Chuchi 2-ton machine is an indispensable companion in wood processing. This machine not only excels at splitting large and stubborn wood blocks but also demonstrates remarkable versatility when mounted on the Chuchi. Its compact design allows for easy mobility to any location, prioritizing safety above all else. Before Niobe Kenny Trimming and Foundations, a company specializing in hedge trimming and foundation work, upgraded its equipment. They adopted the new Oral Tray Shear attachment for Hitachi excavators, supplied by Gainer Plant Sales. The Oral Tray Shear, mounted on the Hitachi excavator. The TigerCat 870C Forestry Harvester, produced by TigerCat, a leading American company specializing in heavy machinery for the forestry industry, was introduced in 2018 and quickly became one of the most popular choices among logging contractors. The small farms, with splitting force of up to 20 tons, make it easy to handle all types of wood with fast splitting speeds, just 4 seconds per cycle. With a simple design, the machine is easy to operate and suitable for users of all ages.
Cord per hour. Not bad for working along.